The length of a rectangular room is 6 feet longer than twice the width. If the room's perimeter is 144 feet, what is the width of the room? It's always a good idea to draw a picture to begin these word problems. So what we do is we have a rectangular room, and I'll put in the different parts. We have length, width, length, and width. And now we can fill in the information on a new drawing based on the word problem. So it says the length of a rectangular room is 6 feet longer than twice the width. So in place of length, we're going to put 6 feet longer than twice the width. So twice the width would be 2w, and 6 feet longer would be plus 6. So we still have the w here. And again, in place of the length, we know that's going to be the 2w plus 6. And again, we have the width. So now it says if the room's perimeter is 144 feet. So remember what perimeter represents. That represents the distance around a figure. So perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width, or 2L, because we have two L's, plus 2W. Now we look at the figure that we've drawn based on the word problem, and we can deal with the same thing. So perimeter, we know, is 2W plus 6 plus W plus the 2W plus 6 plus W. Now they're giving us the actual perimeter of this room, and that's 144 feet. So we have 144 equals, now let's go ahead and combine our like terms. We have 2W plus 1W is 3W, plus 2 more W's would give us 5W, plus 1 more would give us 6W, plus 6 plus 6 is 12. So now we're going to solve by isolating our variable. So we're going to subtract 12 from both sides, and that would give us 132 equals 6W. To finish solving, we're going to divide each side by 6. So 132 divided by 6 is 22. So W equals 22. Now always be careful as to what they're asking in the problem. In this case, they are asking for the width, and W equals width. So our width would be 22 feet. If they would have asked for the length, then what we would do is substitute that 22 in for W, because we know that the length is 6 more than twice the width. So we would actually substitute the 22 in for W, so we'd have 2 times 22 plus 6, which is 44, plus 6, which would be 50. So our length would have been 50 feet.